but not with the six, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is a 2020 Duramax, and I had a crank no start issue with it the other morning. Would not start. So I was throwing a code. I'm going to put up the code on the screen for you guys so you guys know exactly what it was. Very easy fix, but I did like everybody else did. I get online and check the code, see what it is. I had the Banks tuner, like iDash, and it told me exactly what the code was, so I looked it up, and it's called a fuel pump control module. That's what was bad in this truck. I looked up to see where it was. It told me underneath the spare tire. Then another part of the post told me that it was underneath the passenger side fender well. Well, that's not where it's at. So I'm going to show you guys exactly where it is so you guys know what to do. Very simple, easy fix once you figure it out. I got the part at the dealership for 150 bucks. You can actually get them online for about 50 or 60 bucks. Just depends on where you get it. Don't get a cheap one, and do not have to program these, okay? Everybody gets this part mixed up with the trailer module that's underneath the spare tire. But I'm going to show you exactly where it's at. So if you guys have this issue, it's an easy fix for you and save you some money. All right, so we're up under here now. Okay, right here is where your spare tire would be normally. Have to drop that if you have a spare tire, if you're running a spare tire. Okay, this is what I thought it was. That is a trailer module for all your wires and everything. That is not what it is. That's what I thought it was, but it's not. This too, I'm not sure exactly what that is, but that's not it either. It's actually up under here. You see where that harness is? Right there. Where the light's shining, that's where it's at. Okay, it's two 10 millimeter bolts up there. I'm gonna try to give you a better shot of it and see if I can actually get it in the camera. It is definitely a pain to get it out, but let's see if I can get you. Should be there. Hopefully you guys can see it up in there, but that's where it's at. Just connect it, disconnect it there. Yep. There it is right there, just so you guys know. It's right there. It's above everything here. All right. Disconnect it. Get your new one, plug it in. Then all the thing you got to do is clear the code, fire it up. Mine still had the check engine light, so I shut it down, and I disconnected the negative terminals for about 5-10 minutes, plugged them back in, and have had no issues with it. These are definitely going to be a pain to get. You're going to have to get up and see if I can get up into here. Other than that, it wasn't too bad, but it's definitely cheap and easier than taking it to a dealership or something like that to get it fixed. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it.